Hi, I'm Lacy and I'm the executive chef at Pacific Coast Fruit Company, and today in the kitchen we are going to be talking about figs. So figs are one of the oldest cultivated fruits. In fact, figs aren't actually fruit, they are an inside-out flower. Who knew? Most figs are grown in Northern California, and today we are working with Black Mission fig, we have a Kadota fig, and we have a brown turkey fig. I would like to show you how to make one of my favorite drinks, which is called a Double Turkey Fizz. So I'm gonna take 3 of the brown turkey figs. I'm gonna use about 4 or 5 leaves of fresh mint. 2 brown sugar cubes. These are gonna help with the muddling process. Important ingredient, bourbon. Next step, shake it up. So I'm gonna put a strainer in the glass just because we've got a lot of little pieces of fig and mint, and we want this to be a super smooth cocktail. Top it off with some ginger ale. It's gonna give the drink just a little bit of bite. And there you have your Double Turkey Fizz. All right.
Mmm.
How is it?
That's tasty and healthy.
Cheers.